So this is our tutorial on how to fix an Xbox with the problem of E74 with our one red ring, the bottom right hand corner. And fuck this. I mean, Xbox is pretty much garbage right now. I mean, there's no way to fix it. I mean, fucking went through what, 6 Xboxes, can't do shit about it. I mean, you send them in and out, Microsoft just sends it back broken anyways. So might as well just go buy a new Xbox. And here's what I kind of think about it. I mean, Xbox is great. Loving it all. But right now, it's completely worth fucking garbage. It's fucking garbage. I mean, there's nothing you can do about it. See, it's still fucked up. I mean, you can even fucking give it a fucking big ass kick. I mean, did that fix it? No? Oh my god. Wait.
Oh, it switched rings.
It
It switched rings. Drop it one more time.
Switch it.
Oh.
Switching rings.
Oh, snap.
Fuck. What now? You wanna switch?
Oh.
What's up with that? Now we lay it sideways and now it's fucking switching.
What ring is that?
Oh wait, let's see
Maybe
if we can make them all go.
Maybe if you do it again.
Maybe if I punch it again.
Different ring?
No, same ring.
Oh, that's gay. I guess that don't fix it.
You know what? I think I know who can fix this.
Oh, I think I know who can fix this too. Damn, this sucks. I can't even tell if there's fire coming out. There we go. It's a real long one. And that's how you fix your Xbox. The heat sink and all that shit going on.